All the materials used in this video can be purchased via our online store. Apply a piece of zinc oxide non-stretch tape to the inside of the ankle, and then just follow the procedures as you see them here. You may want to apply first some white fixing tape, which will protect the skin and allow for a better fixing of the tape. Especially good for those people who sweat a lot. As you apply these long pieces of tape, you want to just make sure that the foot is turned out a little bit, like this. This will just protect the muscle on the outside of the leg. Now place an anchor strip over the top two bits of tape to stop them coming off. Likewise, apply an anchor strip on the inside of the ankle.